May. Hi guys! So mag-room tour tayo. We're staying at La Palm El Nido. So here's Nix. And then nandito yung mga complimentary sa gilid. Merong coffee,
sugar, and creamer.
And nandito ang kumot, ang towels, sleepers. And then wala silang kuryente ngayon pero babalik lang later. So ito ang kanila CR. Okay naman, may shower. Malinis siya guys. Nandito kami. Street view ang atake. At the single beds. So here's our...
So, saan ka mag-stay?
Nix.
Saan ka mag-stay?
I'll stay here. Dito si Nix. Para katabi niya ang kalsada. And may TV. Tapos may free wifi din sila dito.
That's it.
And that's it. Day 1. So free tour lang namin today. Kami-kami lang. Dalawa lang kami. Isa namin gusto pumunta. So, I think magsa-sunset watching kami sa Bayview. Bayview. So,
Here lang din siya.
magta-tricycle kami for today. Then tomorrow, tatry namin mag-rent ng motor. Si Nix ang driver.
Ayun na. Hindi kaya ito bumigay.
So, here's our fit. Puntang Bayview. Tricycle na kami. Bye!
We're on our way to the bike motor rental.
Yeah.
Rent kami ng motor.
Renta kami
Kasi ang
ng
mahal ng tricycle, 150 one way. So, 300. Tapos mamasahe pa ulit kami after namin doon sa ano.
Oo. Eh, yung nakita naming motor is 350 per day. So,
Bukas pa yung 24 hours.
yeah, 24 hours. Though, sagot namin ng gas, pero alam mo yun, very minimal na lang.
Matipid naman ang motor.
So, andito kami ngayon sa J2 Rental Motors. Ang offer nila sa amin kanina is 350 dito sa Beat. So, tingnan natin if same offer pa rin pag ganun natin. 2?
Iiwan po.
Motor.
We have Honda Beat.
Honda Beat for 2 days. So, since 3 days lang kami dito, sakto lang siya. The driver for today, Nix.
Drive safe, Nix.
We're doing things. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So excited ko, Nix! Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Bayview Resort, El Nido. And we avail day pass worth 1,200. Sabi sa Google, sa Facebook, 1,500. Pero ewan ko, may discount ata sila. Then, yung day pass is 11 AM till 10 doon, as per front office.
Ang bar,
9:30. Okay. So, yung full bar guys, until 9:30. Tapos, may free one choice of food and then one choice of drink. Ito ang order namin. Philly's cheesesteak. Huh? Philly's cheesesteak burger. Tsaka isang sandwich. And then, truffle pasta. Tapos, nag-order kami ng drinks.
I forgot to tell you, wala pala silang milk, so pineapple shake lang. So, okay na yun kasi gusto mo din ng pineapple.
Okay. So, yun yung in-order ko. Pineapple shake. At saka sa'yo is cucumber lemonade. I'm with my friend. Next, kanina niyo pa siya nakikita.
Hi. Excited ako sa truffle pasta.
Yeah.
It smells good.
So, ayun. Inaantay kami ngayon ng sunset dito sa Bayview. Ayun, habang inaantay namin muna. Kakain muna. Lalo na mahilig ako sa bell pepper. I think sourdough to nga.
Possible pa yung mamayang mga Ito lang sa ihor na ano. Ganyan din yung ulan ba na?
Hi guys, we are now walking here and dito. Naghahanap kami kung saan kami kakain. Kakain! Pero actually kakakain lang namin sa Bayview. Which is busog pa kami.
Siguro something ano na.
Light. Light. Pero gusto ko tikman yung Gusto ice cream. Gusto gelato siya.
Dito kami guys sa ano na tawag dito?
Para siyang port.
Ano ang tawag? Ang ganda.
Para siyang port. Daungan.
Pang-pang.
Ah, yeah. Pang-pang. Pero andyan, may kita niyo doon yung mga...
Nasaan ang light? Mamaya pa yun.
Yan na.
Bye-bye, kokido. Ubi po.
Ano po yung bayi-bayi?
Ano po siya? Toasted rice with coconut milk.
Yan ba yun?
Yeah. Ilang ano tayo?
Ito po yung side dish natin. First ko po siya. $120 lang.
Ay,
20 pesos.
oo nga pal. Alam mo, nasa isip ko.
We're trying bye-bye.
Tingin ka nga saglit doon. Parang feel ko ito lang yung datik na natikman natin. Siya nga.
Ano natin?
Yung ice cream sa marketplace. Hello, Didi.
Diba coconut milk?
Yes.
Harap.
Ano ma'am, dinner?
On the way na kami pa uwi. Wala kami nahanap na kainan.
Pala nightlife dito. Kala ko gabi. Or maaga pa guys.
Maaga
Eight
pa.
lang kasi.
Aga pa. Thanks. Well,
Mga
bukas.
tita na.
Bukas it will be a long day.
Actually, it's her birthday. Happy birthday, girl.
Thank you so much. Sa Urmatch! Hi guys, good morning. Day 2 in El Nido and ang gagawin namin today is Tour A. So nakabihis na kami pero hindi pa kami nakaayos dahil may breakfast pa at 7:30.
Actually, pwede na.
Yeah. Pupunta na kami doon. Kita niyo yun. Kalat.
7:15. So, hindi ko pwede na.
Breakfast na kami. May breakfast dito sa hotel namin. So,
What are you having?
hi, breakfast is here. Breakfast with the view. So, ang aming food ay ang tawag dito, Uncle Sam's. So, meron siyang egg, bread, bacon, longganisa, and potato marbles. May gulay. Ang kay Nix ay Miss Biminda.
Danggit, tapa, tocino, longganisa, egg, and garlic rice.
Yeah! Breakfast with a view. Hi! So, tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Getting ready na. Pick up is around 8 to 8:30. Time check is 8:01, I think. Hi guys! Dito na kami sa Shore Inn. Naantay na lang namin yung boat. We already paid for the environmental fee at saka entrance sa Big Lagoon Inn. It's her birthday. Happy birthday to me. On the way to our boat.
Sir, I would like to greet everyone good morning.
Good morning.
Sounds good. So good morning and welcome here, one of the best tourist destination in the world, El Nido, Palawan, Philippines, everyone. So of course, ma'am and sir, welcome aboard Jana's number 4. Don't forget the name of your boat because later on every destination there's a lot of boat. And reminders, Jana's is not one. You have 5 pieces. Same size, same color, but different number. So your boat for today.
On our first stop is Big Lagoon.
Pwede naman, minagagari sa mga.
Hi! On the way to Big Lagoon.
Okay, ma'am and sir, again, good morning. So, welcome to our first destination, or first attraction. So, this is the outside corner of Big Lagoon. So, the lagoon that is located behind of the tracks. So, we're gonna do kayaking here to explore the lagoon. Okay, you can see inside the lush green forest, the clear blue water, and then the dramatic views of clear limestone. Okay, so the activity natin sa kayaking. So, for those who want to ride a kayak, so that's the free. Okay, so we need to rent a kayak. So, they have 2 kinds of kayak here. The small one loading by 2 person. The price is 300, and they have a big kayak here. I think for 3 or 4, it depends on our weight. The price is 310 pesos only. Okay, so we're gonna stay here 1 hour. Okay, so for those who want to ride a kayak, don't forget to wear your lifesaver. Your life jacket. That's a mandatory here.
We're now kayaking here in Big Lagoon. I'm with Nix and Kuya. guys! Para sa kami mag-picture-picture and swimming na kami here. Swimming time! Hi guys. Going back to our boat. Punta na kami sa boat and then next stop. Saan na next stop natin, kuya? Secret Lagoon. Secret Lagoon. Secret. Red line sunscreen. Then next stop is Secret Lagoon.
So Secret Lagoon namin, sir, inside to the limestone. So Secret Lagoon is a small wall or small tunnel. So from here in the boat, we need to swim going to the shallow part. But namin, sir, the activity in the Secret Lagoon just only picture taking. So we'll stay to the Secret Lagoon 25 minutes because we are not allowed to stay here longer. Because this is the front of open sea.
Sige. Harap na lang. Nagtunelas ka pa pala. Sabi. We're on the way to Secret Lagoon. Andito pa kami sa labas. Tapos, kailangan mag-swim kami papunta dun sa Secret Lagoon. Here we go.
Hi guys! Welcome to Secret Lagoon!
Grabe ang vlog. Haba.
Everyone, namin, sir, welcome for our third stop. So this is the Semiso Island for having to lunch. But namin, sir,
Ay, record! Ano ba yan to? masasabi mo, umuulan? Ano masasabi mo, umuulan?
Nothing beats Jeju holiday.
Ito pa naman yung trending guys sa TikTok. Yung na 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 na. Ayan yan, no?
Come to 7 Commando Beach. It's good for swimming. Saan? Saan?
Ang lakas ng ulan, guys.
Tremendous na sa inyo, ma'am, ha?
Go,
Wala ko sa inyo magtutuyat doon sa kabila. Huwag ka nang gagaya sa kanila. Nakarami nahulog dyan. Napusin yung tali. Opo, pwede ko kayong dalagat dyan.
We're now here at 7 Commando.
Ang ganda, guys.
Ang ganda kasi it's raining. May sandcastle dito. May nag-beach volleyball.